during the explosions happened here inside. So meaning the ceiling was reconstructed already. This was cleared by the Philippine government after the war already. But you could still see the flooring. There are some flooring systems. So these are all original flooring systems here inside the Manila Tunnel. Now, first lateral here on the right side. So this was intended for our very own president, Manuel Quezon. So he was here. Now Quezon, because of his tuberculosis, he prefers to stay here in the first lateral so that he can catch some fresh air coming from the east entrance. And also at the end, this is connected to the underground hospital. So those doctors and nurses can easily monitor his condition here. They were transferred December 24, 1941. That is Christmas Eve. So they had the mass held inside the Malinta Tunnel. By December 29, 1941, that was the first bombing of the Japanese here in Corridor. And December 30, 1941, here in this east opening, this is where our president was inaugurated as their second term as president and Vice President Osmeña, respectively. It happens here inside on the east entrance of the Malinta. Next lateral. Next lateral, you'll find here some typewriters, office table. So this represents that there was a offices and headquarters here inside the Malinta Tunnel. But originally, going inside, there's still some branching out tunnel left and right side. So when the Japanese bombed the outdoor hospital on the middle side, patients and equipment were transferred here inside this lateral here. So this became the underground hospital. And to the north entrance, we just passed by earlier. So these typewriters are not working anymore. But if you want to see them working, come back here midnight.
Oh my gosh.
Next lateral. This time you'll find still original ceiling here. Again, these were caused by the explosions happened here inside the Malinta Tunnel. Now, this lateral was intended for General George Moore's headquarters. Now, General Moore, he was the Harbor Defense Commander in Manila Bay and Subic Bay. And he graduated from Texas A&M. They say if you're not from Texas, you cannot enter his office here unless you outrank him or if there's a beautiful lady also. Next lateral, please. Next lateral here. So this shows that there was a hospital inside the Malinta Tunnel. Again, the underground hospital was on that second lateral. This is what it looks like inside that hospital. It was filled beyond its capacity. There were some female